If you want to use Apple's FaceTime from an Android phone, you can only join FaceTime calls initiated by iOS or Mac OS users. While you can't start a FaceTime call directly from your Android device, you can join calls through a link shared with you by someone using an iPhone or Mac. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Set up FaceTime on the iPhone. Open the FaceTime app on your iPhone. Tap the Create Link button. This will generate a FaceTime link that can be shared with others. Step 2. Share the FaceTime link. After creating the link, you can choose how to share it. Tap Share Link and select a messaging or email app to send it directly. Alternatively, copy the link and paste it into any app like text message, email, etc. to send it manually. For me, I'll choose the Telegram. Step 3. Join the FaceTime call on Android. Once the link is set, the person using the Android phone should open it in their web browser before joining the call. Just enter your name, tap Continue, tap Join, waiting for approval. On the other hand, the iPhone or Mac user who initiated the call will receive a notification to accept the incoming FaceTime request. Once the host accepts the request, the Android user will be connected to the FaceTime call. Step 4. Use FaceTime features. While on the call, the Android user will have access to basic video call features such as muting and turning off the camera. They can interact just like any other video calling app. Step 5. End the call. To leave the FaceTime call, simply tap Leave on the screen. That's how you can use FaceTime on an Android phone. Through a link shared by an iPhone user. Although you can't initiate calls directly, this feature allows seamless interaction between Apple and non-Apple devices. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.